All right, just selling it as the final push.
Yep.
Okay. Right? So we'll wait for that out of there. We are down to our final bits and pieces on the Model A engine. I need to drop in the distributor, put the heater box on, get a fan on here, the generator, and then wrap up with the carburetor and the intake, and then the final push to get it in the car and back out on the road. So let's get back after it. What I'm going to attempt is I'm going to use the ends of these studs with these couplers. Should be plenty of thread lift or bite there. And a simple piece of angle iron. To go on there, like so. And I believe my lift center is going to be right about here. So that's where we're going to start. In theory, that's going to also do two things. It's going to be balanced front to rear, and of course side to side. It'll just help set everything back together. Okay. With that, we're ready for the crane and the starter. So I took and pulled the fuel bowl. It had a bunch of crud in the bottom of it. And I don't know if you can smell it right now, but the fuel in here is a little green. We'll have to drain that. Everything is in. The motor is all buttoned up. All the hoses are on. Gas lines run. Electricals run. Radiators in. Even the headlight bar and the horn is hooked up. And as you can see, it's dark. So it's been a long day. I'm going to put the battery on the charger, go home and get some sleep. And then right here, bright and early, we're going to add water to it, put some oil in it and fuel, and start it up. Okay. Open Sesame Street. Here it goes. We got a fuel leak. Bottom of the brand new carburetor.
Sweet.
Seemingly better. Okay. do this. Ready, it wants to fire. Fire, fire.
All right, you can
Can I put the strap on now? Strap on. So I'm not sure if we mentioned this about 45 times already, but BJ recommended that when we go to fire this up for the first time, most likely it's not going to turn over with the starter because of the, well, what we recorded about 120 foot-pounds of torque to turn everything over. That's just due to how it's set up as far as being tight on the babbitt so everything wears in and has a good long life after that. So not even to bother burning up our starter or messing around with that, we are just going to directly hook it up to a tow strap and do it the old-fashioned way, other than we do not have a draft horse handy. However, we do have our handy dandy 46. And it's appropriate to tow a Ford with a Ford. Here we go. All right, I'm good.
give me a little what you think it is sort of deal.
Timing's in the wrong spot. Because as soon as I advance it, like you should, it just completely dies. So that timing is way off. Which is just as a matter of changing this piece. Slight adjustment on the timing, we'll see if that helped. Excuse me, we'll see if that helps. As I spit on myself. Still not it.
It's what?
No, take it over there.
You killed it?
We're going to go get that other distributor.
Okay.
Take 98. Now you guys know it was not going to be that easy. We can't release the pomp and circumstance on the updates. It's in the full Redline video. So you will have to tune in to see that. It will be up tomorrow, but if it is already tomorrow, then it's already up. So check out the full time-lapse video of the Redline rebuild for this Model A, and then in a week or so we'll have out the full explainer of all the intricacies of a Model A and a couple of things that we learned and some of the things that we stumbled on. But most importantly, get in the garage, get some work done, and get your own car out on the road. See you next time.